Hello guys, welcome back to DM Cockpit. In today's video we will let you know how to do keyword research in DM Cockpit. As you can see on the dashboard, on the left hand side there is an option as keyword research. Once you click on keyword research, a dashboard will appear on your screen. It shows important elements like location on which you want to do keyword research. Click here and you can see list of countries coming up on your screen. For now, let's take United States for keyword research. Once this is done, on below panel you can see add keyword option. Now for reference, let's add digital marketing. Another keyword would be SEO tool and next keyword would be ranking tool. So we have added 3 reference keywords for doing keyword research. Once you're done with this, hit on the search bar and you will get results page. Now here you can see the first 3 keywords are those keywords which we have already searched. As you can see the list of keywords which we are having and more results which we can see over here. So next column is average monthly search volume, which indicates the search volume of each keyword. On right hand side there is an option as competitive level, which is the level of difficulty of keywords which are going to be ranked. And the last panel is of competition index, which means how much difficult is to get keywords ranked. With these things you can manipulate this data just by selecting all the keywords which you want to target. So just click on google.com as our project. Select the desired region, so currently we are targeting New York for the time being. And click on add button, all your keywords will get added. Apart from these features, what else you can do is you can download this data and you can select the desired option for saving the file, either Excel or CSV file. Now export this data and it will get downloaded. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any questions.